Hey there, Math 126 fans. Somebody on the discussion board, not on the discussion board, on the Ask the Teacher feature is saying that WebAssign won't accept their answer no matter how they type it in. And so I wanted to, it looks like they did get something submitted, but I wanted to address this question because I think it's just a small sign issue they're making. But let's talk through the process. So this question is about using the so-called geometric series that we have derived in class. Looks like this. In sigma notation, it looks like this. And we know it converges from here to here. Now, in this question, we're going to need to do some rearranging to make this fit. And I think the signs are what is throwing this person off. So first, I would factor out a -9. But then you have to think about what remains when you do that. Well, this will become a positive 1. Think about it as dividing this by -9 and dividing this by -9, and you get -8/9 x. Now that thing is the same as this. Let's rearrange it a little bit. 1/1 minus 8/9 x. Now, because this fits this perfectly here with the correct sign, we don't need to put in a negative here. So what we need to put in that spot is 8/9 x. Okay, so anyways, the series for this would be 1/9 the integral from k equals 0 to infinity, and then we're plugging in 8/9, so it's 8 to the k, 9 to the k. Then there is a negative out here from there, but there is not a negative in here. And then it's going to be x to the k. So that's the issue here. That would be part of my answer. Now you can move the 9 inside, and you can move the negative inside if you so wish. But that would look like -8 to the k, 9 to the k plus 1. X, and that negative is outside of this. Okay, so that's the series for this one. And we would say the interval of convergence for that one is we'd rearrange, multiply everything by 9/8, and you'd get 9/8 is less than x is less than 9/8. So that is one of them. Now you're going to do the other one. All right, I hope that helps that student. Let me know if you have follow-up questions.